Now we talk about SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is how you help your website appear in Google result. Think of it like putting your shop sign on the main road where everyone can see and visit you. SEO boosts your visibility, bringing in more visitors for free. People trust organic search results, so ranking higher means more clicks and more credibility. Use the right keywords, the terms people type into search. Add meta tags like page titles and description. Write easy to read, helpful content that answer question clearly. With the meta title and description clear, your page can show up like this on Google. It helps search engine understand your content and helps users choose your website.